Hello student. Hello student. In previous class we have studied about the chapter climate and today's topic is the onset of the monsoon and withdrawal. आज withdrawal of monsoon पढ़ेंगे हम. Monsoon unlike the trades are not steady winds but are pulsating in nature, affecting by different atmospheric condition encountered by it on its way over the warm tropical seas. The duration of monsoon is between 120 days from early June to mid-September. Around the time of its arrival, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues constantly for several days. This is known as the burst of monsoon. इसको क्या कहेंगे हम? burst of monsoon. And can be distinguished from pre-monsoon showers. The monsoon arrive at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula, generally by the first week of June. Subsequently, it proceeds into two, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai about 10 days later on, approximately the 10th of June. This is fairly rapid advance. Bay of Bengal branch also advance rapidly, arrive in Assam in first week of June. The lofty mountain cause the monsoon wind to deflect towards the west. Over the Ganga plain by mid-June, the Arabian Sea branch of monsoon arrive over Saurashtra, Kutch and central part of country. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of monsoon merge over the northwestern part of Ganga plains. Delhi generally receive the monsoon shower from Bay of Bengal branch by the end of June. दिल्ली में क्या है, जो जून के एंड है तब मानसून आ जाता है. By the first week of July, western UP, Punjab, Haryana and eastern Rajasthan experience the monsoon. By mid July, the monsoon reaches हिमाचल प्रदेश में पहुंच जाता है and rest of the country. Okay. Withdrawal or retreat of monsoon is more gradual process. The withdrawal of the monsoon begins in northwestern state of India by early September. By mid-October, it withdraws completely from northern half of the peninsula. The withdrawal from the southern half of peninsula is fairly rapid. By early December, the monsoon has withdrawn from the rest of the country. The island received the very first monsoon showers progressively from south to north. From last week of April to the first week of May, withdrawal take place progressively from north to south. From the first week of December to the first week of January. By this time, the rest of country is already under the influence of winter monsoon. अब देखिए कौन कौन से सीज़न है, ये विड्रॉल कब मानसून आता है फिर उसके बाद चला जाता है, उसके बारे में है. और ये अक्टूबर में हमारे यहाँ से मानसून चला जाता है, अक्टूबर तक पूरा कम्प्लीटली. अब देखिए कौन कौन से सीज़न है यहाँ पर. मानसून टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट इज characterized by the distinct seasonal pattern. The weather condition greatly change from one season to another. These changes are particularly noticeable in interior part of Earth. Coastal area do not experience much variation in temperature, so there is a वेरिएशन इन रेनफॉल पैटर्न. हाउ मैनी सीजन एक्सप्रेशन और प्लेस? 4 मेन सीजन है हमारे. कोल्ड वेदर सीजन, हॉट वेदर सीजन, द एडवांसिंग मानसून एंड रिट्रैक्टिंग मानसून विद सम रीजनल वेरिएशन. कुछ वेरिएशन के साथ हमारे यहाँ सीज़न है. देख फर्स्ट पढ़ेंगे हम कोल्ड वेदर सीजन, विंटर के बारे में. देखिए विंटर में कितना टेम्परेचर मैक्सिमम रहता है और कौन कौन से एरिया में सबसे ज़्यादा रहता है उसके बारे में देखेंगे. कोल्ड वेदर सीजन बिगेन फ्रॉम मिड नवंबर in northern India and stay till February. December and January are the coldest month in the northern part of India. Temperature decrease from south to north. The average temperature of Chennai on the eastern coast is between 24 degrees and 25 degrees Celsius, while in the northern plain it ranges between 10 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Days are warm and nights are cold. Frost is common in north and the higher slope of Himalaya experience snowfall. During this season, the northeast trade winds prevail over the country. They blow from the land to sea and hence for most part of the country it is a dry season. Some amount of rainfall occur on the Tamil Nadu coast from these winds as here they blow from sea to land. In northern part of the country a feeble high pressure region develop with light winds moving outward from this area influenced by the relief. This wind blow through the Ganga valley from the west and northwest. The weather is normally marked by clear sky लो टेम्परेचर एंड लो ह्यूमिडिटी एंड फीबल वेरिएबल विंड्स। देखिए अब कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ द कोल्ड वेदर सीजन ओवर द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन इज इनफ्लो ऑफ साइक्लोनिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फ्रॉम वेस्ट एंड नॉर्थ and the northwest. These low pressure system originate from the Mediterranean Sea and Western Asia and move into India. Along with the westerly flow, they cause the much needed winter rain over the plain and snowfall in the mountain. Mountain में क्या होगी? Snowfall होगी इससे, और the total amount of winter rainfall, locally known as Mawat, is small. They are immense importance for the cultivation of rabi crop. मावट भी हो जाएगी, जो मावट उसको बोलते हैं जो ठंड में बारिश होती है उसको, वो क्या अच्छी रहती है अपने गेहूँ की खेती के लिए। ओके, द पेनिसुलर रीजन डज नॉट हैव वेल डिफाइंड कोल्ड सीजन, दिस इज हार्डली ए नोटिसेबल सीजनल चेंज इन टेम्परेचर पैटर्न ड्यूरिंग विंटर ड्यू टू मॉडरेटिंग इन्फ्लूज ऑफ सी। अब देखिए हॉट वेदर सीजन में देखिए कहाँ कहाँ आता है। ड्यू टू अपरेंट नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न मूवमेंट ऑफ सन द ग्लोब हीट बेल्ट सेल्फ शिफ्ट नॉर्थवर्ड। As such, from March to May, it is a hot weather season. देखिए मानसून का जो है आपका डायग्राम इस तरीके से, ठीक है। अब देखिए in India, the influence of shifting of heat belt can be seen clearly from temperature recording taken during the March May at different latitude. In March, the highest temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius recorded on Deccan Plateau. In April, temperature in Gujarat, MP are around 42 degrees Celsius. In May, temperature of 45 degrees Celsius common in northwestern part of country. Peninsula India, temperature remain lower due to moderating influencing of ocean. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से टेम्परेचर जो है कहाँ कहाँ कितना रहता है, समर में कितना हाई रहता है उसके बारे में, और जो हॉट वेदर सीज़न जो है उसमें एक विंड चलती है गर्म हॉट, उसको हम लू कहते हैं। ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से ये जो है देखिए द समर मंथ एक्सपीरियंस राइजिंग टेम्परेचर एंड फॉलिंग एयर प्रेशर इन द नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ कंट्री टुवर्ड द एंड ऑफ मई के एंड में एन एलोकेटेड लो प्रेशर एरिया डेवलप इन द रीजन एक्सटेंडिंग फ्रॉम थार डेजर्ट in northwest to Patna and Chota Nagpur plateau in east and southeast. Circulation of air began to set in around this thought. A striking feature of hot weather season is the loop. These are strong, gusty, hot, dry winds blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India. Sometimes they even continue until late in the evening. Direct exposure of these winds may even prove to be fatal. Dust storms are very common during the month of May in North India. These storms bring temporary relief as they lower the temperature and may bring light rain and cool breeze. This is also the season for localized thunderstorm. Associated with the violent winds, torrential downpour often accumulated by hail. In West Bengal, these storms are called Kal Baisakhi. Toward the closure of the summer season, pre-monsoon shower are commonly spaced in Kerala and Karnataka. They help in early ripening of mangoes के लिए अच्छी, ठीक है, and they are referred to as mango shower. इसको क्या कहा गया है? मैंगो शोवर कहा गया है। ठीक है, तो लू और ये सब जो नए वर्ड हैं ये देखें, ये एक बार उनको अच्छे से देख लेना बच्चों, रीडिंग कर लेना। ओके, फिर हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में रेनी सीज़न एंड इसके बारे में डिटेल पढ़ेंगे, रेनी सीज़न के बारे में, और जो है हमारा रिट्राइंग मानसून का। देखिए एक बार ये डायग्राम, इस तरीके से मानसून वापस जाता है, रिटर्न हो जाता है कहने का मतलब। ठीक है, फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रेनफॉल भी है इस चैप्टर में, उसको देखेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।